Hi, my name is Samantha Sims. I'm the Chief Development Officer for Journey to Dream. We're a local nonprofit located here in Louisville, Texas, and we are actually at our teen homeless shelter, which is called Kyle's Place. Our shelter takes the ages 14 to 19. We're a transitional living program. The whole idea is to make them be able to be independent and either go back home or be able to live on their own. So we get them through high school, and most of them go to college and they work as well. We would like to take a moment to thank Freedom Power Sports and Yamaha for supporting us and investing in us, which invests into our kids' future. We are just thankful and blessed that they are supporting us.